cruising is all about. Easy cruising. 80% of max torque for the UCV. Very transportable. This is very much aimed at that generation driver and much that classic.
So hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the Royal Enfield showroom to check out the new Meteor 350. Heard a lot of good things about that, and Royal Enfield has created a good hype on that, so wanted to check out. And in the first half of this video I'm gonna discuss about the all the looks and features of the bike, and in the next half I'm gonna explain, I'm gonna take a test drive and I'm gonna share my feedback with you guys. Showroom is not that far, it is around 6 kilometers, I guess 6 or 7 kilometers, but I need to pick my friend who has given his Himalayan to the service. So I'm gonna pick him up from his house, and we both gonna go to showroom, and so let's see you guys near the showroom. Okay, I need some time to find the foot pegs, but it's a cruiser, not to forget. Bike feels so premium. Gears are a little bit higher, but that's really good. This bike feels really good, and all the switch buttons are new kind of design, I can say. And you can see the console has a lot of information, and even it has Bluetooth enabled. All the specs I have just explained. I'm just gonna tell you guys about the ride quality of this bike. So for beginners, this bike feels like a cruiser, and that it should meant to be one. And gears are really soft because this engine is brought up from the scratch, so everything about this bike is really good. It doesn't have that crazy torque and all, but you can expect some decent amount of power from this bike. Rest, the seat is really comfortable. Clutch is very light, I can say. This is the lightest clutch I have ridden in the recent years, I can say, or at least in the Royal Enfield this is the lightest clutch. And if you compare the clutch with Apache, you'll get a same feeling, I can say that much. Yes, it has some grunt in it, but yeah man, if you guys ride it once, you guys definitely gonna love this bike and how it handles. The mirrors are almost similar to the ones on the classic 350, but rest everything on this bike feels new and premium. In the first gear you don't feel that much of power, but once it gets going, it goes, man. I don't know about the mileage and all those things, and even the specs are not that clear because showroom people told that they are receiving those things just now. So once everything is received, I'm going to do a proper video on this. So I'm planning to ask showroom people to give me this bike for a half day or something so that I can make a proper video on this. But for initial, yes man, it is a competitor for any cruiser you take it on the market. Yeah, foot pegs are really forward set so that you can properly sit on it comfortably. And exhaust also not too grunty and all, but you're not even too soft. Talking about headlight, yes, it doesn't get the complete LEDs, but it has a DRL. But rest everything is fine. It gets a yellow normal halogen bulb, which gives a decent amount of visibility at night. And to test it, I'm going to take it to a little bit of rough roads because I'm riding it on a proper smooth road. I'm going to take a detour here and go towards some rough roads. And finding rough road is not a big deal in my place actually. Oh, gears are very smooth, man. It doesn't feel like Royal Enfield gear because Royal Enfield gears are always notorious for their hammer kind of thing. But this is good. Ooh, it has power. Okay, suspension is not bad. Okay, give it some more time for suspension. Horn is a decent one. Oh, suspension is smooth. Oh boy, suspension is smooth. And what I think is Royal Enfield did a pretty great job on this bike. So to conclude, I really like the thing which they integrated in this. It's small display thing. It shows you the time, and it will be converted as in your end-to-end navigation system also. So, and this is a replacement for Thunderbird X, and the Thunderbird gonna discontinue soon, and this will be the replacement for that. And vibration, don't worry about the vibration. I did not feel a thing yet. Okay, that's my bike, it's back.